Welcome to Online Digital Marketing Solution. In this video, I will explain search network advanced options. My previous video, I have explained basic tutorial of search networks. In this video, I will explain advanced options of search networks. First, let me explain Google Ads account structure. First will come account, next campaign, next ad groups, next keywords, next ads. So in one account, you can manage up to 20 clients. In you can create campaign up to 10,000 campaign you can create. So you can create ad groups up to 20,000 ad groups. So keywords we can add up to 10,000 keywords. Ads up to we can create up to 300 ads. Today I'm creating ad for it's my online digital marketing solution. So I'm running ad for Bangalore location. So who are looking for SEO service in Bangalore and ACM service in Bangalore. So I will add related keywords. Next ads. Okay, let's start the campaign. So this is Google Ads dashboard. Just click plus symbol, new campaign. So once you select this new campaign, what is your main goal? Either you're looking for sales, lead, website traffic, etc. So I will create a goal manually. So I will select this option, create a campaign without a goal. Next, what is your campaign type? Either looking for search, display, shopping, video, etc. So I'm running for ad for search networks. So I will select for search. And here showing some options like website visit, phone calls, app downloads. But I don't want to select these options, means I will select manually. So click continue. Next, campaign name. So campaign name I'll give Bangalore. This is search network. Search network. So this is for our reference. So campaign you can give for location. So this is for your reference. Next, networks. By default, Google is showing search network and display network because I am running ad for only search network. I don't want to show my ad in Google search partners. So I will make it uncheck. And even I don't want to show my ad on display network means banner ads. So I will make it uncheck. So when you are running display network means banner ads, that time you can select this option. So you'll make it both uncheck. Next, some more setting options is there. Here start date and end date. Just click this. So this means you have to plan your campaign either start date and end date according to you have to add the budget. Means example you have your per day budget is 500 rupees. So monthly 30 day means 15,000. So depend on campaign per day budget, you have to add the monthly budget. So and you have to select the date range as the start date and end date. Next, campaign URL options, dynamic search ads settings. When I'm creating dynamic ads, that time I will explain these things. By default, Google is showing entire India because I don't want to show my ad entire India. So I want to show my ad in only Bangalore location. So I want to targeting for entire Bangalore. So I selected Bangalore location. Next, location options. Here is very important. By default, Google is showing people in who show interest in your targeted location means it's showing recommended by default. My client has told don't show my ad to for Chennai people. So means so who are searching in keyword like SEO company in Bangalore for Chennai location, I don't want to show my ad. So that time you have to select this second option means people in or regularly in your targeted location. So now I targeted Bangalore. So I would like to show my ad in only Bangalore location. That time I can select this option. If you select this option, means people who are searching some other location, in the sense even Chennai, Delhi. So even my ad will show there. So I don't want to show my ad. My client has told to don't show ad other location, only Bangalore location. So that time I have to select these options. If you select this option, it show Bangalore people, even Delhi people, Mumbai people, it show ad. So that reason I have selected Bangalore location only. So main thing is I would like to show my ad Bangalore. So that reason I have selected second option. Next, language. Language by default Google show English language. So if you want to run for any other language also you can select. Otherwise you can go for English language. Next, audience. So audience, when I'm creating display networks, so that time I will explain. Next, budget. So your budget is very important. Per day I'm spending 500 rupees budget. So I will explain. Per day budget is 500 rupees. Here, and monthly budget is 15,000. And per day, uh, so what is my CPCs? Example, my CPC is 100 rupees. This is 100 rupees. So per day I can expect 5 clicks. This means whatever I have put the budget and per day budget, Google will not exceed that budget. So means example, I took 500 rupees budget. So Google will not exceed the budget. On a monthly, if you take monthly budget, it will not exceed. So it will take maybe 500 rupees. It will take 500 rupees or less or twice. So overall monthly budget will not exceed. So this is the main point here. Please understand. So overall monthly budget will not exceed. Suppose if you put 500 rupees, either it will take 500 or less or twice. Overall monthly budget will not exceed. Next, bidding. So bidding. In my previous basic tutorial, I have explained go for manual CPC. But manual CPC is time consuming and you are losing amount. So better you can go for automation. Mean on behalf of me Google bidding. So main reason is I will explain. So just select a bid manual per day budget. I'll put 40 rupees per click. My CPC is 40. So I'll explain. CPC CPC is 40 rupees. So even I don't know what my competitive bidding. So I selected 40 rupees. Suppose example keyword is SEO service Bangalore. I have my even I don't know what is my competitors bidding on that. So I selected my CPC is 40. So how Google will analyze the CPC? So actual CPC is equal to competitor CPC plus 0.01. Example, so even I don't know what is my competitor is bidding. So my competitor is bidding 12 rupees. So my bid is 40. Example. So actual CPC is equal to competitor CPC plus 0.01. So even I don't know what is my competitor is bidding on behalf of me. Google is bidding. Suppose my company is bidding is 12 rupees per this keyword. So I given 40 rupees. So what will do actual CPC? How you can calculate? So 12 plus 0.01. So behalf of me, Google is bidding 12 plus 0.01. So main understand this. So because if you go for manual CPC, it will take time consuming. I think you have to recruit for more people for bidding only. Like you have to extend 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupees. Better instead of go for manual bidding, go for automation. I think it's better. Next, show more settings. Here add schedule. So conversion, when I'm running conversion settings, I will explain that video. Next, add schedule. Add schedule means, so if you want to run for an entire week or only weekends, you can select either all days or only Monday to Friday or Saturday, Sunday. You can explain and you can mention the timings, whatever timings you want to run. You can mention the days and timings according to yours. Your client has told to run for only weekends. You can go for that, or you can go for entire week, like that. Next, add rotation. So add rotation means, so we have created two ads, add 1 and add 2. So add 1 is performing better, add 2 is not performing better. So that time Google will Google will suggest optimize prefer best performing ads. So Google will default Google will optimize your ad copy, it will show ads. So that reason go for this first option, optimize prefer best performing ads. Next, add extensions. So this one I will create separate video. Please watch. Next, save and continue. So till now we have created campaign. Next, we'll go for ads group. So ad group in the sense, what is mentioned ad group? How many ad groups you have mentioned here? One is SEO and one is SEM. So okay, SEO. Next, keywords. So it's showing enter your website to find relevant keywords or find keywords. So I'll prefer before entering keywords, you have to go for keyword planner tool. Just check keywords according to what is your target keywords. Just go for discover new keywords. Standard SEO service Bangalore. Yep, good result. Okay. See here, SEO service Bangalore. Main thing is you have to search average monthly searches. What is the average monthly searches on each keyword? So next, one more point. Here just select the location. I am targeting for only Bangalore. So that time only Bangalore I will take. Save. That time showing entire India because I don't to target entire area. My ad has to show only for Bangalore. So that reason I have selected Bangalore location and I will check what is the average monthly searches is going on. According to this, I have listed some keywords. This is example I'm showing. So I took some keywords. So I will add keywords manually. And one more point is here, there are keyword matchups there like broad match, exact match, broad match, modifier. So I'm creating one more video about keyword matchup. Please watch that video. Next, save and continue. So initially I have added 5 keywords. After that you can add some more keywords. Maybe you can add 10 to 15 keywords you can add. Next, click save and continue. Next, so till now we have created campaign, ad groups, keywords. Next, ads. Ad consists of final URL, headline 1, headline 2, headline 3, and display path, description 1 and description 2. Headline characters up to 30 characters limit and description is 90 characters limit. Okay, so main thing is when you're running, when you're creating ad copy, please check your competitors, what they're giving catchy headlines. After that, you have to write ad copy. So I have listed ad copy. This for reference only create reference only I'm showing. First you create enter the final URL. So what is my where is my what is my landing page? So I'm showing I'm targeting for only my website URL. Next, headline 1. So example I am showing. Next, headline 2. Next, headline 3. Next, display path means our ad will show in SERP search engine page now. So I will give my target keyword SEO service. So it's showing here. Next, description one. So I already created. This is I'm taking just I'm showing example only. Next, description two. So till now I have entered final URL, headline 1, headline 2, display path URL, and headline 3, and display path URL, and description 1, description 2. So even you can see how my ad appear in CRP. Like this is mobile version, mobile preview, and this is the desktop preview. Next, click and save and continue. So congratulations, your campaign is ready. So till now you have created account and campaign name, ad groups, keywords, and ads. Click continue to campaign. So we have added only ad group SEO. Now we want to add SEM also. One more ad group. So ad group name is SEM. Select the keywords. So already so some keywords. This is example I'm showing. Now click save and continue. Next. So finally, since I'm targeting for my landing page, it's a domain home page. So given and here is showing I have not added HTTPS, so that reason is showing it's not a problem. Now headline one. This is example I'm showing. Because ad copy is very important. So before you're creating ad copy, you have to analyze your competitors and you have to write catchy headlines to click clients or your audience. Next, display path SEM. Next, description one. Next, description two. Okay, and here I will showing our ad in mobile version, and this is desktop version. Okay, so now we have created ad group. We have created ad copy also. So till now we have created campaign, ad groups, keywords, ad copy. Click save and continue. So this is ad groups. If you click ad groups, it will come keywords. So till now I have added payment. Once I've had the payment, so ad will be live. Okay, thank you so much.